Good day to drive, especially in this 2022 Tesla Model 3 with blue exterior, white interior, sitting for 5 with four doors. It has a long-range battery paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include navigation, fixed glass roof, dual climate control, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. This is the front. It gives you more room for storage because you don't have an engine. You have a motor, a long-range battery paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Now let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door and power windows. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar, all with the mats on the floor. Sliding into the vehicle. To start it, put the key on the designated area and push the brake. On the face of your steering wheel, volume and media controls. The center stack features a touchscreen with AM/FM satellite radio, navigation, multiple functions for the vehicle. You can take a look at your odometer, adjust your seats, climate control system, a dual one with heated seats and steering wheel, air conditioning, defrost, and more functions. You can open your front or trunk area and other functions. You've got room for storage below, 2 cup holders, a console with storage underneath and a 12-volt outlet, your glove compartment, sun visors, panoramic fixed glass roof, light controls, and your hazard light. 18-inch wheels, a camera, black door handles with intelligent access. In the rear, your backup camera would be below the Tesla badging. Sensors on the back bumper. To open your lift gate, just press the button below the badging. It opens it for you, and you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, and when you're done, just press the button above you on the right side. It will close it for you, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3 60/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just pull the tab, fold your seat down. Here you access the cargo area, anchors to tether baby seat and speaker, and when you're done, just lift your seat up. An armrest with 2 cup holders, all with the mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats for storage, air vents and USB-C charging ports, your panoramic fixed glass roof, dome light, and hooks. Backup camera in the rear, body colored adjustable side view mirrors, a front, halogen, headlights and fog lights, sensors on the front bumper, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.